Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn on ambient mode on YouTube using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. Okay. So now I want you to do is to click on your YouTube profile at the upper right corner of your screen. And now click on Appearance. And now just go ahead and choose Dark Theme because when your YouTube is not on Dark Theme, the ambient mode is not allowed. Okay? So now just go ahead and choose any video that you want to watch. So just wait. I'm just gonna choose this. And now when you have the video that you want to watch, just go ahead and click on the settings button. As you can see the ambient mode at the upper part of the window. Okay, so if you want to turn that on, just go ahead and click on the switch. And if you want to turn that off, just go ahead and toggle on the switch. Okay, and that is how you turn on ambient mode on YouTube. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.